Welcome, dear 4th students. Now, today we shall discuss about the session number 36, that is, in which we are going to study solving the 4-point DFT of a given sequence. If a 4-point DFT sequence is given, what are all those 4 points of that sequence? That is solving the 4-point DFT. Before going to that, you should know that the DFT points are represented on a circle of unit radius r is equal to 1. And the positive DFT points, that is WNNK, this is WNK, where n is n point DFT and k can have n number of samples. Therefore, this k can be given as 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1. Including 0, there are n number of points. So, you can have k n number of points. This is positive DFT point, WNK. This is represented by negative, that is Wn of minus k. And we know that all the DFT points are represented on a circle of unit radius, where the radius of the circle is 1. The radius of the circle is 1. The positive DFT points are represented in the clockwise direction. The negative DFT points are represented in the anti-clockwise directions. And we have already proved the values of W40, W41, W42 and W43. Similarly, we can solve the values of W4 minus 0, W4 minus 1, W4 minus 2, W4 minus 3. So, what is W4 minus 3? It is the 4-point DFT of the 4th sample, 4th point DFT of the 1st sample, 4th point DFT of the 2nd sample, 4th point DFT of the 3rd sample, 4th point DFT of the 4th sample. And all the samples must be equally spaced. Therefore, all the samples are spaced exactly at 90 degree. Now, we have already derived what is W4. So, W4 to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, all DFTW are represented on a circle of unit radius. This length is 1. Therefore, W4 equals 1. Since these are positive DFT values, we are taking it to in the clockwise direction. Then W41 is minus j, because this is y-axis. Y is an imaginary axis. Imaginary axis is represented by j. This is a negative imaginary axis, therefore minus j. This is positive imaginary axis and it is represented by plus j. This is negative x-axis, therefore it is equal to minus 1. In this way, you can write the values of W40, W41, W42 and W43. And we have also derived all these values. So, W40 is equal to 1. W41 is equal to minus j. W42, 4-point DFT of the 3rd sample is minus 1. 4th point of 4th sample, W43 is equal to plus j. And you see that the negative samples are represented in the anti-clockwise direction. From this circle, we know that W4 to the power of minus 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, in this case also, W4 minus 0 is equal to 1. Now, W4 minus 1 is plus j. W4 minus 1 is equal to plus j. Again, W4 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. W4 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. And W4 minus 3 is equal to minus j. W4 minus 3 is nothing but the n point, that is 4 point DFT of the fourth sample, that is equal to minus j. See the difference between these two. If the indices are positive, it is 1 minus j minus 1 plus j. If the indices are negative, again it is 1, but this is plus j. Instead of minus j, you get plus j. And W4 minus 2 is minus 1. W4 minus 3 is minus j. Instead of plus j, it is minus j. W4 3 is equal to plus j. W4 minus 3 is equal to minus j. W4 1 is equal to minus j. W4 minus 1 is equal to plus j. You should know all these 4 points to solve 4-point DFT equations. And since the DFT is a periodic function, that is, the samples are repeated after n number of samples. That means if n is equal to 4-point DFT, then what is the fifth sample? Fifth sample is also equal to the first sample. How do you represent this? Yeah, we know that n plus k is equal to k itself. So fifth sample is equal to first sample itself. How do you write? It's a 4-point DFT. Therefore, it is 5 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is, see, n plus k equals k. 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is only, it is not mathematical expression. It is periodicity of DFT. Similarly, the ninth point. If n is equal to 9, how do you write this 9? You can write this as 9 as 4 plus 5, which is equal to fifth sample. The ninth sample is also equal to fifth sample. Again, the fifth sample can be written as 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 1. N plus k is k, like that. Therefore, the ninth sample is also equal to the first sample. In this way, since it is periodic, we can represent like this. W40 is also equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, again 4. It is also equal to W44. Next, this is the fifth sample. It is also equal to W45. Next, sixth sample. That is also equal to W4 sixth sample. This is the seventh sample. Therefore, it is also equal to W47. Again, this is the eighth sample. It is also can be represented as W48. Again, this is the ninth sample. So, we can represent this as W49. This is again 10th sample. So, you can represent this as W410, 10th sample. 10th sample equals 6th sample. 6th sample equals second sample, which is given by the value minus 1. Similarly, after 10, it is 11th. W411. 11th sample is equal to 7th sample. 7th sample is equal to 3rd sample, which is given by the value plus j. In this way, you can continuously get any values of DFT of 4-point. The same can be applicable here also. W400, first sample, second sample, third sample, fourth sample, again fifth sample, sixth sample. In this way, 0 sample, first sample, second sample, third sample, fourth sample, fifth sample, sixth sample, seventh sample, eighth sample. Therefore, W20, W41, W4 minus 2, W4 minus 3, which is equal to W4 minus 4, which is equal to W4 minus 5. Again, this is also equal to W4 minus 6. Again, come here, this is also equal to W4 minus 7. Again, this is equal to W4 minus 8. This is equal to W4 minus 9. Again, this is equal to W4 minus 10, which is equal to W4 minus 11, and so on. Since Wn k is a periodic functions. So, by knowing this, you can solve the 4-point DFT. Let us see how the 4-point DFTs can be solved. Solving 4-point DFT. We know that the DFT of n point is represented by x of k, which is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n w n n k, where k can have n number of samples, that is 0 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to n minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to n minus 1, there are n minus of samples, including 0, one more sample. N minus 1 plus 1 is equal to n samples. Now for 4-point DFT, we know that n is equal to 4. Putting n equal to 4 in this equation, so x of k is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to, since n equals 4, n minus 1 is 3, into x of n w, n means 4 point, small n to the power of k. For 4-point DFT, what are the values of k? 0 is less than or equal to k less than or equal to 4 minus 1. That is 0 is less than or equal to k less than or equal to 3. That is k can have 4 values, 0, 1, 2, 3. K can have 0 values, 0, 4 values, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now substitute k equals 0, 1, 2, 3 for this equation. First, n equals 0 to 3, expand this summation. Putting n equals 0 in the first case, summation means plus, again putting n equals 1, plus putting n equals 2, plus putting n equals 3. Therefore, this expression can be written as x of k equals, when n equals 0, this is x of 0, w4, n is 0, 0 into k is 0. Summation means plus. Next, n equals 1. This is x of 1, w4, n is 1. 1 into k is k itself. Next, n equals 2. This gives you x of 2, w4, n equals 2. 2 into k, 2k. Plus, n equals 3. When n equals 3, this becomes x of 3, w4, n equals 3, 3 into k, it is 3k. And x of k is equal to w4 to the power of 0, you know that it is 1. Therefore, this is simply x of 0 plus x of 1 w4k plus x of 2 w4 2k plus x of 3 w4 3k. Here, what are the values of k? K can have 4 values. K equals 0, you get first sample, k x of 0. If k equals 1, you get second sample, that is x of 1. X of 2, third sample. X of 3, fourth sample. Therefore, put k equals 0, 1, 2, 3. All 4 samples you will get now. Now, see, when k equals 0, from this expression we get x of 0, the first sample, which is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1, k equals 0, w4 to the power of 0 is 1 itself, plus x of 2, k equals 0, 2 into 0, 0, w4 0 is 1 itself, plus x of 3, k equals 0, 3 into 0, 0, w4 0 is 1 itself. So this is the first point DFT. The first point DFT is given by x of 0 equals, capital X of 0 is DFT point. X of 0 is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3, where x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 are called sequence of a given function. Now we are finding the DFT of those sequence. If you have 4 sequence, then you can calculate the first DFT point as x0 is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3, equation 1. Now putting k equals 1 to get next sample. When putting k equals 1, you get capital X of 1, x of 0 as it is, plus x of 1, w4, k equals 1. Therefore, it is w4 to the power of 1, plus x of 2, w4 2 into 1, k is 1. Therefore, this is w4 2, plus x of 3, w4. Here k is 1. Therefore, 3 into 1 is 3. Now, you know these values of W40, W41, W42, W43. Substitute these values. We get x of 0 plus W41. See, W41 is minus j. W42 is minus 1. W43 is plus j. Therefore, you can write this as x of 0 plus x of 1, W41 is minus j, plus x of 2, W42 is minus 1, plus x of 3, W43 is plus j. Now multiplying this, you get x of 0 plus minus j into x of 1 minus 1 into x of 2 minus x of 2 plus j into x of 3. This gives the second point DFT equation. X of 1 is the second DFT point, which is given by x of 0 minus jx of 1 minus x of 2 plus jx of 3. Similarly, putting k equals 2, you will get third samples. In this equation, put k equals 2. So you get, when k equals 2, you get x of 2, third sample, x of 0, first sample, x of 1, second sample, x of 2, third sample is equal to x of 0 as it is, plus x of 1, W4 k equals 2, W4 2, plus x of 2, W4 2k, k equals 2, 2 into 2, 4, W4 4, plus x of 3, W4 k equals 2, 3 3 2 is 6. And we know, when k equals to x of 2 is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 into W4 to k equals to W4 2 plus x of 2 W4 4, x of 2 plus W4 4 plus x of 3 W4 k equals to 6. And since W4 is a periodic function, you can simplify this as follows. X of 2 is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 to W4 2 plus x of 2 W4 4. What is W4 4? It is also 0 sample. Okay, W4, 4 plus 0, n plus k equals k, 4 plus 0 is 4. Therefore, it is W4 0 plus, what is the sixth sample? It is also equal to second sample. How do you get? Simply 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. It is also equal to second sample. X of 3, W4 2. See this expression. Since W4 is a periodic function, W4 is equal to W40 is equal to W4 4. It is also equal to W4 8. How do you get? You see, simply 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Like that. W4 1 is also equal to fifth sample, W4 5. It is also equal to ninth sample. How do you get this? Simply 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, ninth sample is also equal to fifth sample. Fifth sample is also equal to 5 minus 4 is first sample. come to this point. W42 is also equal to W46 is also equal to W410. How do you get 10 minus 4 is 6? Therefore, it is also equal to W46, 6 point. What is the W46 point? Is also equal to second point. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, W42. In this way, you can calculate. W411, 11 minus 4 is 7. Therefore, it is also equal to 7th DFT. 7 minus 4 is also equal to 3. It is also third point DFT. It is also fourth samples, third point DFT. That is given by plus J. Therefore, x of 2 is equal to x of 0, W42 means minus 1. Therefore, this is minus x of 1. W40 is plus 1. Therefore, this is plus x of 2. W42 is also again minus 1. Therefore, this is minus x of 3. This will give you the third point DFT equation, equation number 3. Now, let us get the fourth point DFT equation. Substituting k equals 3 in this equation, you get fourth point DFT. Therefore, when k equals 3, this becomes x of 3 is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 into W4k equals 3. Therefore, this is W43 plus x of 2, W4k equals 3. 3 2s are 6. This is W46 plus x of 3, W4 k equals 3. 3 3 is 9. This is W49. Again, x of 3 is equal to, since W4 are the periodic functions, you can simplify this as follows. X of 0 plus x of 1, W43 plus x of 2. What is 6th sample? 6 minus 4, 2. It is also equal to second sample. Plus x of 3. What is 9th sample? 9th sample is also equal to 5th sample. 9 minus 4 is 5. Again, 5th sample is also equal to first sample. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, this is first sample. Okay. See, 9th sample minus 4 is equal to, also equal to 5th sample. 5th sample minus 4 is also equal to first sample. And substitute these values for this. We get x of 3 is equal to x of 0 plus W43 is plus j. J into x of 1 is j x of 1. W42 is minus 1. Therefore, this is minus x of 2. W41 is minus j. Therefore, minus j into x of 3. This is minus j x of 3. This will give the fourth point DFT. Therefore, I will write once again all the 4-point DFT. This is the first point DFT. X of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. Sum of all the 4 sequences will give you x of 0. First point DFT. This will give you second point DFT. Second point DFT is calculated like this. X of 1 equals x of 0 minus jx of 1 minus x of 2 plus jx of 3. This will give you second point. And this will give you third point DFT. X of 2 is equal to x of 0 minus x of 1 plus x of 2 minus x of 3. That is third point. And this will give you the fourth point DFT. X of 3 equals x of 0 plus jx of 1 minus x of 2 minus jx of 3. So, by equations 1, 2, 3, 4. By equations 1, 2, 3 and 4, you can calculate all the 4-point DFT. And these DFT points are finally written as x of k is equal to, with brick bracket. So, this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. The brick bracket shows that it is a DFT point. X of 0 space x of 1 space x of 2 space x of 3. First sample, second sample, third sample, fourth sample. For a given sequence, x of n is a given sequence and it is represented by x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, small bracket. Small bracket shows the given sequence. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points are there means n is equal to 4. 4 point. This is 0 sequence, first sequence, second sequence, third sequence. So by knowing x0, x1, x2, x3 are given, then you can calculate the DFT of this sequence. First point DFT, second point DFT x1, third point DFT x2, fourth point DFT x3. If these 4 points are given, you can calculate x0, x1, x2, x3 by the above equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we shall study how 4-point IDFT are calculated. So solving 4-point IDFT. Similarly, you can solve 8-point, 6-point, 5-point and etc. We shall study only the 4-point IDFT now. We know that all these samples are represented on a circle of unit radius r equals 1. For positive samples, we represent the in a clockwise direction. IDFT has negative samples. Therefore, we are representing the samples in a anti-clockwise direction. This is the first sample, W4 minus 0. This next sample is W4 minus 1. This is 0 sample. This is the first sample. Next second sample, W4 minus 2. Next third sample, W4 minus 3. Again 0 sample. Since W4 is a periodic function and it rotates along the circle of the same radius, you can represent like this. W4 0, 1, 2, 3, again 4, 5, 6, 7, again 8, 9, 10 and 11. That means eighth sample is also equal to fourth sample. This is also equal to 0th sample. How do you get 8 minus 4? 4. Again 4 minus 4, 0. Similarly, ninth sample is also equal to fifth sample. Fifth sample is also equal to first sample. How do you get 9 minus 4? That is 5. 5 minus 4 is also equal to 1. That higher samples can be reduced to lower samples, which is equivalent. By how? By subtracting the indices minus the given n-point DFT. Indices and 4-point DFT here. Indices minus this. Okay. Now what is IDFT? If x of k is a DFT of this function x of n, then x of n is the IDFT of the x of k. And by definition, mathematical expression, it is given by this formula. The IDFT of this x of k is equal to x of n. X of n is equal to 1 by n, where n is the DFT point, is into sigma k equals 0 to n minus 1 here. X of k. So k can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to n minus 1. Wn minus nk. Here n can have how many sequence? K is a n point. Therefore, you can have n samples or n sequences. Therefore, n, small letter n is also given by 0 less than or equal to n is less than or equal to n minus 1. Using this, you can solve any point DFT equation. Now, let us solve only 4-point IDFT. 4-point inverse DFT. For 4-point, we know that n is equal to 4. Putting n equals 4 in this equation, you get x of n is equal to 1 by n into sigma, that is 1 by n is 1 by 4 because 4 sample. Sigma k equals 0 to n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. into x of k, w, n is the 4.4 minus n into k, n into k, where the small letter n can have values 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4 minus 1. That is 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3. That is n can have values, 4 values. That is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now putting k equals 0, 1, 2, 3 in this summation, you get x of n is equal to 1 by 4 into k equals 0, that is x of 0, capital X of 0, w4 minus n into k. Since k equals 0, anything to the power of 0 is 0. Next, k equals 1. Summation means plus x of 1, w4, k equals 1. Therefore, this is minus n. Next, k equals 2. Therefore, this is x of 2, w4, k equals 2 means 2 into n, minus 2n, plus x of 3, k equals 3, w4 minus 3n. So by using this, you can calculate all the 4-point IDFT because n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Putting n equals 0, you get first sample. Putting n equals 1, you get next x of 1. Putting n equals 2, you get next x of 2. Putting n equals 3, next x of 3. So x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 are the 4 sequences of a given DFT point, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Now let us calculate how it can be calculated. First sample, x of 0 is equal to 1 by 4 into x of 0, w4 power 0, w4 to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, this is capital X of 0 plus n equals 0, w4 0. Therefore, it is x of 1 itself plus x of 2, w4 minus 2n, n equals 0. Therefore, this is x of 2 itself plus x of 3, n equals 0, w4 0 is 1. Therefore, this. So, this gives the first sequence x of 0. Similarly, second sequence is given by putting n equals 1. This is 1 by 4 into x of, see this x of 0, w4 0 is x of 0 itself plus x of 1, w4, n is 1 minus 1. Therefore, this is x of 1, w4 minus 1 plus x of 2, w4, n equals 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, w4 minus 2 plus x of 3, w4, n equals 1, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Substitute the values for this, w4 minus 1, w4 minus 2, w4 minus 3 from this expression. w4 minus 0 is also equal to w4 minus 4 is also equal to w4 minus 8, which is equal to plus 1. Similarly, w4 minus 1 is also equal to w4 minus 5 is also equal to w4 minus 5. This is a positive imaginary axis, therefore it is plus j. This is negative x-axis, all these samples are minus 1. This is negative imaginary axis, all these samples are minus j. Putting the values of this 1 plus j minus 1 and minus j for different samples and solve this. That is x of 1 is equal to 1 by 4 into x of 0. w4 minus 1 is nothing but plus j. J into x of 1. Therefore, this is plus j into x of 1 plus w4 minus 2. w4 minus 2 is minus 1. Therefore, this is minus x of 2. w4 minus 3 is minus j. Therefore, this is minus j into x of 3. This will give the second sequence. See, in 4-point DFT, you get small x of 0 Instead of plus j, you get minus j. X of 0 minus j x of 1 minus x of 2 plus j x of 3 in the 4-point DFT. Here, in the 4-point IDFT, you get DFT point x of 0 plus j. There it is minus j. This is minus same. Instead of minus j, you get plus j there. Only difference between the equations of IDFT and DFT are that each equation is divided by number of DFT point, that is 1 by 4, because n is equal to 4 here. We are discussing 4-point IDFT, and all these equations are same except that wherever there is a plus j, put minus j, wherever there is a minus j, put plus j, because the samples are anti-clockwise and clockwise. In the positive samples, it is clockwise. Here it is anti-clockwise. So this gives. Similarly, you can calculate next point x of 2 as 1 by 4. Same, x of 0 plus x of 1, minus x of 1 plus x of 2. Substitute n equals 2 here. 1 by 4, x of 0, that is W40 is 1 itself, x of 0 plus x of 1, W4 minus 2n, because n equals 2. W4 minus 2n is minus 1. Therefore, you get minus x of 1 plus x of 2, W4, n equals 2, minus 4 minus 4. W4 minus 4 is W4 minus 0, because W4 minus 4 is 4 minus 4, 0. It is also equal to 0 sample, that is 1. Therefore, this is plus x of 2 plus x of 3, W4 n equals 2, 3 6th sample is also equal to 6 minus 4, 2, second sample. You get W4 minus 2. W4 minus 2 is minus 1. Therefore, this is minus 1 minus jx3. Minus simply x3. Equation 3. See, only difference same. X of 0, x of 1, x of 0 minus x of 1 plus x of 2 minus x of 3. You will get there. So in the DFT, you get same x of 0 minus x of 1 plus x of 2 minus x of 3. But in IDFT, you get capital X of 0 minus capital X of 1 plus capital X of 2 minus capital X of 3. But only thing is divided by 4. Next, n equals 3. On putting n equals 3, putting n equals 3, putting n equals 3 in this equation, when n equals 3, putting n equals 3 to get the fourth sequence. When n equals 3, x of 3 is equal to 1 by 4 x of 0, W40 is 1 plus x of 1, W4 n equals 3, W4 minus 3. W4 minus 3 is nothing but minus j. Therefore, minus j into x of 1 is minus j x of 1. So for third sample, put n equals 3 in this equation. You get x of n equals 1 by 4. X of 0, W40 is 1, x of 0, plus x of 1, W4 minus 3, because n equals 3. W4 minus 3 is minus j. Minus j into x of 1 is minus j x of 1, plus W4 n equals 3 minus 6. Minus 6 is also equal to second sample. The second sample is also equal to minus 1. Therefore, this is minus x of 2 plus x of 3 W4 minus 3 into 3 minus 9. 9 minus 4 5. 5 minus 4 1. So ninth sample is also equal to first sample. So W4 minus 1. W4 minus 1 is plus j. Plus j into x of 3 is plus j x of 3. This will give you the fourth point of IDFT. Same, only difference is there you get small x of 0, instead of minus j you get plus j x of 1 minus x of 2 minus j x of 3 in DFT. In IDFT you get small x of capital X of 0 minus j x of 1 minus x of 2 plus j x of 3. If you know those four functions to solve 4-point DFT, only thing that you have to change plus j into minus j into plus j, and also the entire thing is divided by number of point. That is the only difference. So to solve IDFT, there are two differences. There are two differences. First one, change small x to capital X. Second one, change plus j to minus j and minus j to plus j. Of course, one more, divide the entire sequence by number of points. These are the three important points to be noted. So in order to calculate 4-point IDFT, only the differences are change small x to capital X, change plus j to minus j and minus j to plus j, and divide the entire samples by number of points n. For 4-point, divide the entire by 4. For 8th point, divide the entire by 8, like that. This is how we have to solve 4-point DFT and IDFT. In the next class, we will solve 4-point DFT and 4-point IDFT with examples. Thank you.